What's the meaning of anxiously? Anxiously. 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 Anxiously.
Anxiously is an adverb that describes a state of worry, nervousness, or unease about something that may or may not happen in the future. When someone is feeling anxious, they may experience physical symptoms such as a rapid heartbeat, sweating, or shortness of breath. This feeling can be caused by various factors, including uncertainty, fear, or anticipation of a stressful event. The result of being anxiously is usually a sense of discomfort and distress, and it can affect a person's mental and physical well-being if not addressed properly.